In this video, we are going to show you how to design a complex mind map in Poppy AI. It's as easy as just prompting properly. So as you can see here, I just prompted create a mind map, a complex mind map about greenhouses, right? So this is pretty much my my prompt, and it's created this mind map. So it created tables first. So here's your complex greenhouse mind map. It covers 11 major branches. So they did this. You can click on the node, on any node in the mind map to expand on explore each area further. Let me know if you'd like to dive deeper. So after it created this, it created its own stuff here. So I'm just going to expand this. There you go. So as you can see, if I zoom in, look at that, right? It is so complex. It is so specific, and there's a lot going on here, right? So that is pretty much how you do it. You don't really need to add anything, right? So again, you can just prompt it as much as high a specificity as you want. You can go as detailed as you want. I think that's going to be better if you want a very complex mind map, and it's just going to do its magic here, and then it's going to create a visual representation of it, as you can see from here, right? That's insane. That's a lot, right? Again, zooming out is just pressing this, or zooming in, so you can see everything. Scroll with your mouse. There you go. And yeah, if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.